Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. Very important and needed videos presentation my channel. Uh, the car work accident lawyer. This topics presentation in videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, share my channel, and thank you watching my videos. The car work accident lawyer. You if you have been involved in a car work accident and are seeking legal assistance is curriculum and consult with a professional injuries lawyer who specialized in car accident. Here are some steps you can take to find a qualified car accident lawyer. Referrals. Ask friend. Number 1, referrals. Ask friend, family or colleagues if they have any recommendation for a good personal injury lawyer who specializes in car accident. Personal referrals can provide valuable instruction. Online search. Use online search engine to find lawyer in your areas who specialize in car accident case. You can use specific keywords like car accidents lawyer along with your location. Bar association. Number 3, bar association. The contract your location or state bar association. They obtain have referrals service that can contract you with qualified attorney. The bar association can also provide information about any disqualify action against the lawyer. Lawyer direction. Explore online lawyer direction such as above. Marketing, humble or final law. Those platforms providing information about lawyer experience, reward, and the specialist. Entitled consultation. One, you have a list of potential lawyer schedule entail consultation many lawyer of the free consular of Rick's case. There are details of your car and help you determine if they are the right fit for your needs. Look for a lawyer with experience in personal injuries law practicals with car accident case. Check their car detention reviews and success record in similar case. Free stroke cut. Discuss the lawyer free cut during the Intel consultation. Many personal injury lawyer work on a continuation free base, maintain their only great paid if you win your case. Make sure you understand they are free and any additional cost. Communication style. Pay attention to the lawyer communication style. It's important to work with someone who is responsible and the keep who in fact about the process of this case. Local knowledge. Choose a lawyer who is familiar with the local laws and regulations recording car accident in your areas. Local knowledge can be an advertised with negative the legal system. Client testimonial. Record the client testimonial or review to great sense of the lawyer's reputation and how they have handled small car the best. Recommend it calculate to act promptly after a car accident in ensure the preparation and evidence and compliance with any legal deadlines. If you users about what their need legal responsibility, consular with a lawyer during an insert question can help you make can information discuss because the specific your case. Car work accidents lawyer. If you have been involved in a car work and accident and are seeking legal attachment, it is the calculate to consult with the personal injury lawyer who is specialist in car accident. Heard some step you can take to find qualified car accidents lawyer. The reference asks friends, families and colleagues if they have any recommendation for goods personal injuries lawyer who is specialist in car accident personal report can provide valuable instruction. Thank you. Best of luck.